Yeah, hi everyone. Let's start case scenario number 22. Okay. Yeah, good and small sum. Yes, with respect to this is with respect to what do you say? Ind AS 12, right? Link it to Ind AS 28. Fine. At the same time, it is respected to Ind AS 16. Okay. Right. Ind AS 16 is going to be covered. Ind AS 16 will be covered. Ind AS 28 little knowledge is required, and in days 12, that is income taxes also is going to be covered part of this case scenario. Okay. M Limited is a diversified organization with several subsidiaries and business lines, has prepared the financial statement for the year ended 31st March. Okay, and during the preparation they are asking the following issues. M Limited has acquired a heavy machine at a cost of 1 crore with no breakdown of cost, component parts. Component parts means what? I mean, they have not followed the component accounting. No component accounting has been followed by the company. The estimated useful life is equal to 10 years. At the end of the sixth year, one of the major components of the turbine requires a replacement. At the end of the sixth year. Okay, remember this is end of the sixth year. And as further maintenance is uneconomical, fine, that's why they are going to replace it. The remainder machine is perfect and is expected to last for the next 4 years. So remaining machine is fine, that will work as expected another 4 years. Okay, right. The cost of the new turbine is going to be 45 lakh rupees. Discounting rate is supposed to be assumed as 5%. Okay, so what do? This we did actually in the classroom also, right? So what is initial number, my dear? Initially you bought it. What is your cost of asset? Your cost of asset is equal to 100 lakh, 1 crore rupees, no? 1 crore rupees, that is equal to 100 lakh rupees, and 10 years residual value is equal to 0. That's why per annum depreciation is equal to 10 lakh. So 6 years ka depreciation is equal to 60 lakh rupees. So today's WDV is equal to 40 lakh rupees. Correct, na? But out of 40 lakh rupees, that which part is gone, the turbine gone, how much is the value of this? How do I know? Correct, na? We don't know. How do I bifurcate? How do I bifurcate means, correct now. Today's value, do you know? Yes, today's value I know. What is today? That is Y6 number. What is the Y6 number today value? Today value is equal to 45 lakh. Correct now. So then what do? I'll go back. I'll go back to Y0. Present value. Correct now. I mean if whatever the number comes, no. That means we'll assume that if I had bought it in a Y0, it would have costed me that number. Correct na? Then that number, after you brought this, then you do the 6 years ka depreciation. Then what is the WDV today? You will get to know. That WDV, you are supposed to remove it from the 40 lakh rupees and capitalize the 45 lakh rupees, the new machine. That's all you are supposed. Let's do the calculation. So what is the calculation, my dear? So what is the rate of discounting? 5%. 5%, sixth year factor, how much? 35 lakh 25,000. 867 something, 860 le lo, no, doesn't matter. Okay, what is this? How did you get this? 5% divided by 1.016, correct, into 45 lakh, 45 lakh to 3 lakh 35, 1 divided by 1.04 into 45 lakh, correct, na? 45 lakh comes to 33 lakh 57,000. E number not okay. Okay, 33 lakh 57,969 rupees is the number. Now, what am I supposed to do now, my dear? What am I supposed to do? E number, I am supposed to depreciate it for 6 years. Okay, divided by what? 10 years, basically, right? Into 4 years, if I do it, that means that is the remaining number. That is equal to 13 lakh 43,188 number will be there. This is the WDV of the machine. If I had bought it for 33 lakh rupees, the book value today would have been 13 lakh 43,000. Correct na? E 13 lakh 43,000 would have been part of my 40 lakh rupees. Yes, it would have been part of my 40 lakh rupees. So now what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? First you have to charge it off this one, no? Because it is useless. Breakdown has happened, useless. So that's why what should I say? P&L account debit to your machine account. Correct na? Your machine account. How much number? 13,43,188. 13,43,188. This is charged down. Now, are you supposed to capitalize the new turbine? Yes, new turbine. Yes, let's do now new turbine account debit that is equal to 45 lakh rupees to bank that is equal to 45. Agree? Right. So now let's try to attempt the question. The approximate cost of turbine at year one. At year one that is equal to 33 lakh 57,000 rupees, not 45 lakh rupees. It is year one he's asking. The current carrying amount of the turbine, current carrying amount 13 lakh rupees 43,000 we did just now. The revised carrying amount of the machine after replacement of the new turbine would be the new turbine would be, what is the number, my dear? First of all, from 40 lakh rupees say 13.43 or 13.43 cut karo. 40 lakh say minus 13.43 once you cut it, plus now you have to add another 45. 40 plus 45 is a new number, that is equal to 71.57 will be my new cost of, I mean carrying amount of the machine. 71.56 or 57, this is the number. Yes, fourth bit we have to see the next information, deferred tax related information. Yeah, look at the rate of income tax is equal to 20%. The following information related to the transactions, assets, liabilities of MS Limited during the year ended 31st March 2026 is equal to whatever it is. Look at MS Limited has 40% share in the L company. First of all, you are in which company? MS Limited only. So MS Limited has what MS Limited has, that is equal to, in the L company you have got 40% stake. So if you have 40% stake means L is your associate company. Correct na? L is your associate company. And you have purchased the shareholding for 45 lakh rupees. This 40 percentage you purchased for 45 lakh rupees. The shareholding gives MS Limited significant influence over the L Limited but not control. Therefore, MS Limited accounts for its interest in the L Limited using the equity method. Correct. The equity method carrying value of MS Limited's investment in L Limited is equal to 70 CR. Okay. The equity method carrying value, correct, because it's in obviously equity method I am following. So all these years my proportionate share of profit I have added to the investment. So this 45 lakh rupees has become 70 lakh rupees and 75 crore rupees in the 31st March 2020. Now, this is of which date? This is 31st March 2025 E number. 31st March 2026, this has become 75 lakh crores or whatever it is, lakhs or crores, or doesn't matter. Number is E number. Okay, right. So, in the tax jurisdiction in which MS Limited operates, profits recognized under the equity method are taxed if and when they are distributed as dividend or relevant investment is disposed of. Same question is given in the January 20 also attempt, given in 2026. 2026 question. So, what is the question here? What are you supposed to do? From 45 to 70 CR it is gone up. That means 25 CR has gone up. Correct? Na? 45 plus 25 is equal to E number. 25 CR has gone up. 25 CR has gone up. So are you supposed to create into 20 percentage? Into 20 percentage tax rate. Correct? Na? Deferred tax liability. Deferred tax liability is equal to 5 CR. Correct. So what is the journal entry you will record for 5 CR? Yes, deferred tax expenditure account debit to deferred tax liability. This will hit my profit and loss statement 5 and 5. This is as of which year? As of year. For the next year, what is gone up? 5 CR gone up. 5 CR into 20 percentage is 1 CR. Correct na? So obviously deferred tax expense account debit to deferred tax liability, that is equal to 1 CR, 1 CR. Let us see the question accordingly. We'll see. The total deferred tax liability of MS Limited, that would be, total means I have to, hmm? Yeah, 6 no, but what next time I have not read na. Let me see this one also. Okay, right. MS Limited measures its head office building using the revaluation model. Revaluation model. Revaluation reserve will go where? OCI. Correct. Now, since it goes to OCI, a deferred tax expenditure or income also will be routed through OCI. That you need to remember. The building is revalued every year on 31st March. Okay. So on 31st March 2020-25, carrying value of the building after revaluation is equal to 40 CR. after revaluation. Its tax base is equal to 22 CR. Which date this is number, my dear? This is as on 31st March 2020-25. Correct na? Carrying value is equal to 40 CR, but the tax base is equal to 22 CR. Correct na? Right. So there is a difference. There is a temporary difference. Difference of how much? That is equal to 18 CR. Difference is there. During the year ended 31st March 2020-26, agree. 31st March 2000, correct na? 31st March 2020-26, MS Limited charged a depreciation in the statement of profit and loss of 2 CR. Okay, so that is depreciation. This depreciation is equal to 2 CR I charged, and claimed a tax deduction for that depreciation of 1.25. Okay, here 1.25 I have claimed the depreciation. So my tax base, correct na? It is reduced by 1.25. On 31st March, the building was revalued to 45 crores. Agree? Yeah. So now what am I supposed to do? First, what is your number first? 40 minus 2 is equal to 38. And what is this number? 20.75. Correct na? The depreciation is getting charged to where? This is getting to charged to profit and loss statement. Correct na? The difference is arising. The difference of what? 2 and here 1.25. Because till this level already you have created that, you must have created the deferred tax liability in the opening itself. Now difference is arising only because of the current year depreciation between these. So what is the difference arising basically here? That is equal to 0.75. Agree? Yeah, 2 minus 1.25 is 0.75. 0.75 into 20 percentage. You calculate point, like na, 0.75 into zero point 0.2. That is equal to 0.15. E 0.15, what am I supposed to hit? I should hit the profit and loss. I should hit the profit and loss means what? Deferred tax expense account debit. Correct na? To deferred tax liability. That is equal to 0.15. 0.15 will hit the deferred tax liability. Come to the next point. What is the next point? On 31st March, there is a 45 CR gone up. 38 became how much, my dear? 45. So that means there is a revaluation gain. There is a revaluation gain of 7 rupees. Correct na? E gain you should have transferred it to OCI. As you remember, first you should do depreciation, afterwards only revaluation, afterwards only impairment loss comes into the picture. Same sequence I am supposed to follow. Okay, in the tax jurisdiction in which it operates, revaluation of property does not affect the taxable income. That is fine anyhow, nowhere it will be applicable. And 7, what am I supposed to do? 7 into 20 percentage, that is equal to 3.5 CR. Correct na? 3.5 CR, what are you supposed to do, my dear? OCI. Correct na? Sorry, which one? 7 into 20, answer you are telling. How much? Oh, sorry, 1.4 CR, correct. 1.4 CR should go to OCI. What should be your journal entry? What should be your journal entry? First of all, building account debit. Correct na? Building account debit. Building account debit will be 7 CR. Correct na? To revaluation reserve and to DTL. DTL will be 1.4 and 7 minus 1.4, that is equal to 5.6. 5.6 will be the revaluation reserve. Okay. Yeah. No. Sorry. DTL also go to, DTL is DTL. RR is reduced from the OCI. Revaluation reserve mein we will say revaluation gain is equal to 7 minus tax related to revaluation reserve 1.4. So OCI will be 5.6 will come. This is a balance sheet. DTL will go to balance sheet. Correct? Right. So now you see, because DTL has come from there also, here also, everywhere it has come. Agree? So now what is the total deferred tax liability of MS Limited as on 31st March 2020-26? Yes, tell me, my dear, what should be the deferred tax liability? Nee. Here 1.4. Earlier is what? 5 plus 1 plus 6. Correct, na? Plus, what is here? Plus 0.15. Plus, this is 1.4. Correct, na? 1.4. But still something is there. We have missed out. What is that missed out? If 40 and 22, there must be opening also deferred tax liability must be there, no? Yes or no? Opening balance I have not taken. I have taken only the during the current year entry. Not a problem. We can do that. 18 into 20 percentage comes to how much? 3.6 you must have already created deferred tax liability. Pakka. Correct na? So plus 3.6. Calculate now. 6 plus 3.6 plus 0.15 plus 1.4 comes to how much? 11.15. Yeah, let's see. Total deferred tax liability this company is equal to, I think our calculation somewhere we did. Yeah, just see that once again. Calculation. Yeah, understood the small error. What is the small error? No, here it should be deferred tax asset. No, my dear. Correct. Na? What is asset? Our accounting depreciation is what? More than the less depreciation. Deferred tax asset will, due to which, correct. Na? To the extent of 0.75, whatever we say, value temporary difference will fall down. Right? You use calculator. 38 minus 20, 38 minus 20.75. Just do this. 20.75. How much? Yeah. 17.25. That means your earlier temporary difference is coming down. Na? That's coming down. That's why what are you supposed to do? This is DTL account debit to deferred tax expense. So 0.15. 0.15 mein what am I supposed to do here? Here I am supposed to do minus 0.15. Now you do the calculation. 5 plus 1 that is equal to 6 minus 0.15. Correct now? Plus 1.4 plus 3.6. Altogether 10.85. Yes, that is equal to 10.85. Yes, this is right answer. Okay, yeah, that is the some basic error. It has happened. The charge to the other comprehensive income is equal to 1.4 CR. Okay, I think good revision of India's 12 basically. Right, to the best. Please like the video, share the video, and comment on the same. Thank you.